Welcome! In this installment of our series, The 7 Basic Supplements for Good Health, we'll be discussing the 6th recommendation for building a health regimen, one product at a time. I'm Joanne Dett, manager of Swanson Health Products in Fargo, North Dakota. And I'm confident that this product will be the thing that will help you to move from feeling just okay to truly terrific in the near future. Right now you're taking 5 supplements, a multiple vitamin and mineral, a calcium and magnesium, a fiber supplement, an omega-3 essential fatty acid, and chlorella. Any guess what the next recommendation is? Well, guess no longer, because it's acidophilus, or a probiotic, as it is commonly known. You may think of acidophilus, which is one of the best-known probiotics, only as that thing your well-intentioned aunts suggested you take after your last round of penicillin. But I can assure you that its benefits go well beyond occasional use. Keep in mind the basic principle: we are what we eat. Most health experts agree that health issues all begin with digestion. This makes sense when you consider the real reason we eat food. Granted, eating tastes wonderful, and it's a great way to enjoy time with loved ones and friends. But the real reason we eat is to stay alive, as cold as that may seem. Most of the cells in our body grow old and die, which really isn't a problem because our body just makes more. The process of cell renewal goes on day after day. The food we eat is digested in the intestines and sent out through the bloodstream to the cells to provide them with the materials they need for growth and repair. Scientists are stymied as to why this process of cell renewal declines with age and eventually stops. They're committed to spending a lot of time on the process of anti-aging. And someday we may know the answer to that question. However, right now it is to your best benefit to do what is necessary to maintain good digestion so that your body is able to keep up with the cell repair and renewal. And probiotics are one thing that are very beneficial in this effort. Here are but a few of the many things probiotics will do for you. The intestinal tract is home to millions of bacteria that we also refer to as flora. It just sounds nicer. While our impression of bacteria is negative, the truth is some bacteria called probiotics are friendly and highly desirable, helping to maintain a balance of healthy flora in the intestine. This action keeps the intestinal tract strong for optimal assimilation of food, and it promotes colon health too. Probiotics also assist your body's enzymes like protease, amylase, and lipase to break down food, ensuring greater levels of digestion and absorption. Unmistakably, they help keep the digestive system running smoothly. Plus, the latest research shows that probiotics are very instrumental in keeping our immune system in fighting shape. Those 3 reasons alone make them well worth your time and effort. There are different groups of probiotics. Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium are the most researched. Lactobacillus acidophilus is the most widely known, but there are other important groups also. While a few foods like yogurt contain probiotics, oftentimes the manner in which they're processed reduces most, if not all, of the friendly bacterial activity. For this reason, we suggest that you take a high-quality probiotic supplement that supplies you with at least 1 billion bacteria per dose. And we suggest that you take this daily as part of your supplement routine for optimal benefit. Our pick for its use of 4 different strains of probiotics, its guaranteed total activity of over 7 billion colony-forming units of bacteria, its inclusion of FOS to help the good bacteria multiply, and its attractive price is Swanson's Probiotic Triple Pack. Follow the label directions and take the capsules with food. Food effectively raises the pH level in your stomach, preventing the probiotics from being destroyed by the caustic nature of hydrochloric acid in an empty stomach, and this eliminates the need for enteric coating on the capsules. Most likely you're getting compliments from everyone you know on how wonderful you look and feel, and you're an inspiration to them to improve their health also. There's just one supplement left in our regimen. Have you ventured a guess as to what that might be? Look for our last installment to find out our final recommendation, or go to www.swansonvitamins.com, click on the Health Articles tab, and see the entire series online. Thanks for joining us.